Welcome to August, where I am meeting random Scouters for the whole of this month, and today I'm with
Sam Farnsworth.
And you may remember him from a baby food challenge last year.
Uh-oh.
So this year, no baby food, but we are doing the Nottingham Monopoly Challenge. So the idea is very simple. We have an hour to go around 24 locations around Nottingham. That obviously, if we get there first, we gain the points. If we get there second, we don't get it. And there's also 12 community chests locations that if either of us get it, we still get 100 points.
Oh, right.
Okay. So
should have planned that differently then.
should have planned that differently, definitely. So I've never been to Nottingham except 3 times in my life, and you've lived here for most of it.
23 years. Yep.
So let's see who wins. Here we go. He's still planning, may I point out.
Go away, Mike.
You do realise as soon as this hits 12:02, I'm going.
It's 12:02, yeah.
It's 12:02. Alright? Yeah?
Ready?
Go. I'm off me. Right. So he has plans. Still running. So I thought that he was actually gonna crossing the road.
Straight away, I've gone for a different tactic to Mike. Which is risky. I'll do it. We'll get there. I might die. What? Where are you going?
Well, you lied to me, so I'm not going to tell you.
Where do you think I'm going?
You said you were going to go to the castle first.
This is the way to the castle.
No, it ain't.
Now we've changed.
I don't know now where he's going. So I thought he was putting on his map that I gave him. Oh, I'm running. I'm going. I'm winning because he's energetic.
Totally lost Mike already. Think he's gonna get the first points, but hopefully I'll get more. I'm knackered. Ran for 30 seconds.
Thank God for a green man. That's Broad March, so I need to find the bus station, which I guess he's already at. Maybe not, I don't know. I don't know where Broad Marsh bus station is.
Okay, it's locked pending redevelopment, but this is Brewhouse Yard. It's 12:05. Next one.
I know for a fact that he was going to go bus station and then the castle. Hoping that this is what I'm after. So if it is, I've got some points on the board. Yes. So we are at 12:06, St Nicholas Church. One down. Whoever stated there should be hills in Nottingham. These holes flat. I'm knackered.
Excuse me, bud. Can I record a quick 5-second video with you?
Of course.
I'm doing a challenge. I need to find a Robin Hood statue, but I think the true Robin Hood is one better. Is that okay?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
1209. It's the Cross Monument. Can't for the life of me find this City of Caves thing. It's here on Google Maps. So 1212, it's the galleries, just this, and technically City of Caves. Can I get that? I don't know. So, haha. $12.16, BBC Nottingham.
Just realised I've screwed one up. I thought the Theatre Royal was over here, but it's actually a playhouse. That's no good. On the other hand, Nottingham Cathedral, I'll tell you that. My legs are burning.
Getting too old for this. 1218, they class this place as their national ice centre. Yeah, national ice centre, see? Says it. Good.
Just to put this into context, 2 weeks ago I climbed Ben Nevis. My legs hurt more now. This is a challenge.
I'm sure he's gaining bigger points than I am right now. But 1223, Victoria Leisure Centre.
This one's the most out of the way for me, and I've come to it with an intention of actually getting a sign that says it, because this used to be Canning Circus Police Station, but unfortunately it's closed down. So I think that counts as Canning Circus.
1225, see the street here? Flower Parliament Street. I didn't even know that I was walking past it. So I've got some points there. 160.
Oh, it's all this way for a sign. I'm in Canning Circus and I have been for the last 5 minutes. I hope Mike hasn't beat me to that one. Another one. 1226, Nottingham Moat House. I didn't know there used to be a moat.
The National, there we go, Video Game Arcade. How cool does that sound? You beat me here, I'm killing you. It's the Nottingham Arts Theatre. Ooh.
Coming up to my next stop. I reckon Mike might have already been here. I've just realised I might not have clicked record for some of my previous ones. Oh, if I lose on a technicality, I'm going to be so annoyed. But anyway, this building here to my left, that I'm touching, Mike, at 12:30, is Rock City. Famous music venue in Nottingham. I don't know how much of that can be seen. Rock City on those doors in there is what it says.
1232, Victoria Centre.
Just looked at my map again. There's only 2 more places I can easily get to. And then the rest are all in a totally different area of town. 2 isn't many. There's half an hour left. It's better than baby food though.
The bus blocks me. But that is Theatre Royal.
This is Victoria Centre, albeit a back entrance, and I'm going in it. I'll take those points, Mike. I'm doubled.
This is what they call Speaker's Corner. I should have actually, stupidly, gone a different way, so I'm going back on myself.
Got another one. 12:40. This is Planet Bounce. Signs up there.
12:40. Rock City. Now in Hull we have a Rock City. That's just for climbing. This one is the UK's best UK live venue and club. Nice.
Can I ask for a lift? Could the police give me a lift? Is that against the rules? I want to ask so bad.
So, I'm hopeful that he didn't go all the way to Canning Circus. If he did, then me going all that way is for no apparent reason whatsoever.
I've just realised I've had an absolute nightmare. Walked straight past the Arts Theatre, Nottingham Arts Theatre, on the other side of this block here.
On the map, this is Canning Circus. I just don't know if it's just the general area or what, but Canning Circus? It's supposed to be a circus. Could someone let me know? I'd like to know in Nottingham, what is Canning Circus? Is it just like Piccadilly Circus? Is it just like a location? It's not really an actual thing.
Alright, I've got another one here. The Nottingham National Ice Centre, or the Motorpoint Arena. This should count. That is the ice centre. Signs up there, Mike. Trust me.
I've got about 10 minutes left. I know he's got it, but here's Nottingham Cathedral. I'm not after this. I'm actually after something else, which gets me 100 points. And it's just round this corner.
Oh, here, another one, 12:51. National Video Game Arcade. And for Mike's pleasure, touched it.
I don't know how well I've done. I do hope I've beat him to the punch. Wow, this is the thing that I really wanted to see. So I'm quite glad if I didn't get anything, I got this one at least. 12:52. The sky mirror, very nice. I actually quite like it.
Right, another one. 12:52. Nottingham Arts Theatre behind me. Gonna touch it. Nottingham Arts Theatre. Done. 7 minutes left. Galleries of Justice. National Justice Centre, whatever it's called. There's another one right there. National Justice Museum. This isn't on our list of places to go. But this is an old church. It's an old bar called Picture and Piano. It's just a really cool place I wanted to show for those over 18s of you who are thinking of visiting Nottingham. There you go. Another one. 12:59. Weekday Cross Monument.
1 o'clock dead on. Wow, there we go. My last Nottingham City Library. Who knew that my last stop was going to be a library full of books? I just hope I've won it.
101-ish. And I've gone the wrong way around this escalator.
So here are our scores. Also, this man is going to America for the Jamboree, and he's selling some fantastic merchandise, which is...
So we've got a badge.
Ooh.
It's our Robin Hoodies badge. You might have seen these on Facebook, and we're selling those for £3 each plus postage.
Cool.
We've also got some woggles, which have our logo on, our little Robin Hoodies bear.
Oh, cool.
We're selling those for £2.50 each, I think.
Okay.
And we've also got some wristbands,
right,
which also say Robin Hoodies on, and we're selling those for £1 each.
Okay,
plus,
so if anyone wants to obviously support you and help you on your way, where do they go, or what do they need to do?
Yep, so all the profits of this will go towards our unit. So we've got a fundraising target for the unit, and that'll all go towards that. Okay. If you want to send me an email, it'll be in the description below. Right down there, and that my email address is sam.farnsworth@nots-scouts.org.uk.
Okay, and it's definitely down there if you
we'll have to
do
put it down there. It's a long one.
Okay, hopefully I've won, but if I haven't, well, I will see you again for another August. Goodbye.
2-0 to Sam. I'm calling it. 2-0 to Sam.